Hey, welcome to my crib. I've been trying to film this video for how many attempts did we try?
I don't know. But
It's been a lot.
I think we have to redo this one as well because when you started talking I was still like in the
Oh no, that's fine. I'm skipping this whole entire fucking intro. I'm done with that.
Okay.
So this video is a tiny home tour. I did one about 2 years ago and I just moved here. I think I lived here for about a month or so. I barely had any furniture or any stuff, but I've been living here for 2 years, so I thought it was time to do an updated room tour video. So, without further ado, let's start. So, as you just saw, this is my door, this is how you enter. And then on this side you have my desk with my stuff. I don't really know how much to say about this. This is just where I do my work and edit stuff. Ooh, you can show this, it's quite cool though. These are some Disney dollars from about 25 years ago. Then we are going to this corner of the house. So this is my coat rack and my shoes. My Wi-Fi box is shoved in that corner somewhere. And this is my beautiful internet cable. I put it on the ceiling with a
screw.
It's a pin, right? It's not a screw.
And that's a screw. Or a nail, actually.
Nail, oh yeah, that was the word I was looking for. And all my cameras are in here. Other stuff. Books and more shoes. Moving on to this corner of the house, which is my kitchen. I have a fridge right there. There wasn't really place for the fridge in the kitchen. Other than that, I don't really have much to say about my kitchen, so let's move on. This is where my dog is staying, and my plants. And then in this corner of the house, my living area. I had to do some improvising because before I had my living room up there and my desk right here, but now you have actually space for like 4 persons if you have like people over, so that's why I put it like that. So this is a what's this called? It's called a poof.
A poof, yeah.
In Dutch. We'll translate it here. But yeah, so my living room. And another thing that I like to show you guys is this stairs for my dog, since I'm living this small and my dog is with me. The couch is also his bench. All right, are you ready to go upstairs?
I am.
Okay. So this is my upstairs area, sleeping area, and there's. And if you turn around, you can see all my clothes hanging in the corner. And if you walk all the way up here, all the way up here, we have my bathroom. It's very small, but it has everything I need. So that is basically my upstairs area, and right here I have one window. And if you are wondering where I can go to the toilet, my toilet is outside of my house, so I'll show you real quick. And also my laundry stuff is also outside of my house. I have to share this with all the other people that live here. But other than that, that's basically my entire house. I hope you like this video. If you haven't already, please take a minute to subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!